film, and they are working also there. And they were joining Borussia Dortmund. So this is their team this season, how it's going to be. And it's a very solid team. Roman Buki will be in goal post. Right back, Nupisheke already. Central defense, Hunos Bebo with Manuel Akanji. Left back, Nico Schultz, new player. Midfield, Axel Witsel, that Belgian midfielder. Everybody saw him at the World Cup in 2018. When they eliminated Brazil in that particular game, no, on the gym FIFA and the boss. On the bench now, Brandt your friend Julian Brandt and Swaba, or Marco Reus, the lines of Torgan Hazard, Ukita, the Mario Götze, and then Paco Alcácer. These are the players. Patron, this is in Germany. Mindin this Bayern Munich. Ebetimi Iron on 9. Is an 8 in a row. This season, team Ekita Dortmund. And the fact that Lucien Favre, the first season pair on the Dortmund at also 2. Nine keso Timiji League, no. And also a coach at German Bundesliga, no. Onima. This is not the first time I about Germany. He has coached Hertha Berlin. He has coached Borussia Mönchengladbach and Okofa, France Kakra, Okokochi Nice, Balotelli num time, Alassane player num time, Jean-Michel Seri, Nabasa Fopen and all that, you know. Coach Aonya the best out of Balotelli, Jean Seri and all those players, you know. Alassane player, no, was Lucien Favre. And Aniwa Babefa, this talented group of players at Air Dortmund. Majidi said this season, Dortmund would win the Bundesliga with this team and preseason, you know, on about 4 matches. Only so much saying 14 goals. On conceded 5, 4 wins. On you didn't say 4-1. Liverpool G3-2. Seattle Sanders edge 3-1. And the former Dortmund 4 ekito transfer activity coach Dortmund no this season Bundesliga. It should not go to Allianz Arena. I said to me called Dortmund.
Okay. Gabara deal. At your remembrance and what because my game almost was go for a transfer. And I'm going to go beyond Venezuela's county. I'm trying to break your mama. Okay, Yamrafi because in some now Yamrame, Yensemba community, and so Master Bokodia.
Yeah, King.
Okay. Master and there is
yes, I can.
Okay, Master.
So as we are,
Master,
something about me, has your honor. Me who is
moral for mana.
A temper.
Okay, temper. Okay. Oh, well, yeah, okay.
I say awesome the necessary.
Oh, sir.
Because no man be known to me, Bomunia, sir.
Yes, sir.
They say to who are.
Oh, really?
If you ever not train now, but and you see possible. So it's really 2 with the train.
Oh, okay.
But
I don't know, said you made it.
yeah, it was.
Okay.
I mean, I send back could be a hands and I have my back.
I don't know, I said, man.
I no pay na meet you.
One day.
They are now near and some approaching now more about say I was a gun in a coach.
And the CG for now, you're
And say, so Casa now they link it. Emi de pass and no, Emi de. Me fat time there 2, 3 mirror.
And then the whole call will be about you.
Oh, there be Obiang and Andres over Bounty and myself.
That's when you will be over there. You just man paying now on the other bunches. Local coaches and quality coaching the other day. I only need decision. And Uncle Fosu is a chroma, so I say, so you're the inside. But Omodiano, so we are foreigners and it's a idea.
Ken,
foreigners and I did locals and I just
did man penny and gas our house and me and Kawanin in Adrian. Because Egypt team we all muku taken and you who started on any team and you be because over here qualifies any on board World Cup near the Bilanque. It was not a team because we are gamblers. I see any be any determination. It's a one team on your championship stuff.
But me won't go for one more comment to be raising one you be say as if for them because of interference. Minimum how FIFA beat me about
we
but once a football I won't mean you say
I don't know I'm gonna bet you can
there be and yes or can be so any FIFA supporters idea. So be him say Yanka a your decision.
Okay.
Also what your one club it's a Russian club no more black and bobby.
Yeah, of course. Ken,
so it is a million child say. Yeah, but we mammy, yeah. That's why you.
And upon our business say racism and Odioyan and your racism. And what say? Name man for one a big cheat in the national team. A perfect statement. But say and never one name one the other. Okay.
And I'll go for
but I had them.
Yeah, the Indians.
Yeah, the assembly when I made.
Yeah, then you look at your phone.
Say, yeah, dear. say your papa fee says I no be ya kin what ma say me yen ye mfam protect you be on ya de ntina ho haman no dia Ghana fo a almost ye coaches so omo ye better omo experience be omo sua dem be omo bo omo adwene se no mo te bo ase esen de wo it is a sign of pedi anka me na force me protect you bia and yes be Ghana ni na coaching tin yes Ghana ni bia
coaches we are coaches you
yeah masai de say Ghana ni ba okuta a Oye Ghana ni ba it's no we see lazy complex na blast as Oye Ghana ni ba o say you do
Ghanaian passport
there be wait here your dual citizenship or Ghana me don't forget Ghana for ho American is high Ghana Oye Ghana ni ba o je walk out for the president Kufuor Kim cried me fan ka so on the also on pay John count into Otuado King Otuado ena Otuado no why
Otuado no Bakroma
Nanya na blasters muko work out bobo ma edini o Abdo bio we asi bia Ghana ni say edini ya one ye wi na the George Boateng your mama we dey say aso no so one of the team acquire assistant omo three no yes omo so ye Ghana for be fa
ndi ye ka so ye Ghana ni a ala mo pesa mo ya assistant dey fra kwesi ho
akwesi so Ghana nya ne dey adi nyon nkwa na eso ye coach o Ghana kina sa wo sanka wo training coach na wo so ko ye coach o Ghana say nka wo so we busu afọ omo nya proud of it eti ye dia ma na wuntumi nya kona another Ghana ni mra we aba na nanka sa ote so no ken wuti na nanka sa say nyoma bi ankoye e bia this time na say 8 years me ntumi nkyere emma dia onu so betumi yi na afiri ho se ne yi bi mo afiri ho eri say mebo wo ye aduma na efi say aduma ni nkoye a ko na Ghana ni bi so maybe sana ken hwe so wo the sports presenters ba hasi na dia wo hwe no hu ade na yese eso wo change ato se dia wo benya sa na ye aduma utumi nko go Facebook ka se ye nya bo dabi eso wo change sa ato se ye benya edi se na se ye papa se opegana ni a me support nemu enye Ghana ni bia obi a wa ye bi da onya ade ye ntuma ne ntoaso ba say de say ye Ghana ni ba me se masai de say ye Ghana ni ba Ghana ni no kan na ye me dentimra so se masai ba
ba ken bia me ne maso nya ade your technical director of Ghana Football Association. Obubo coaches no one consider. But as a technical director, so he believes that you should be higher than coaches now was seen. There be just one person. At least say akwesimu ntimia why as a one for take on board to credit. No, there be me bisakeke. Me how there. Coach me bisakeke at least senka. Senka consider
take case na. Amana throw margin na no Hassan Shia Tanechi. Na so cool.
Yes.
Ba ke do
for panyin beti na contact so panyin be dey dey send so adi. It's omo no omo wani da so say even obi kura o sisi a o yes expect about come na. So, but once you dey no,
and I say what technical director Ali Mono. Any Zamalek be most time caps no mo jeje Africa mo ye abrofo na bebre amo. And abrofo na at least o maji 2 bi e dey amadi. It enye bibini anabro ni by about nipa ne competence. Me kin what dey am.
Okay, your fairness we that.
Since Saturday na ma no say na openye fe no no abo alese je kum kan sem bi. Say ye say the ye ni free budget no so no. Ye mo na di awie no mo di nko no.
Na ye ntoto ne mai.
Ye ntoto ne mai no. Ken ya ho sabu.
Na me adoma Saturday na na sanse. No but ye nro mu kakra enro akomasi asante kokoku so esi omo ento me ko Nigeria Kano Palace na omo so adomo akoto omo level di omo kama no maba na enro game there course no and some be course but aye coach we assistant coach e fe no ya fa is Billy aye Penny ni dino no okay obafia on the back say aye Zacharias ndi omo nim ne pa wo aye Ivory Coast omo na anti tactics bi omo nim no more questions so give me a 0-0 but we are near this on the same for Africa one more boy no team na hefa na who say hefa na ho de no na hefa na ho de ni yenti nsem na opinion no answer the two Koroko defenders na baso say koroko defenders ni good but animu ho na kakaka eno aye team na kotoko ni omo boy no mo coach na ono tinchen na o hwebo ni bi ana so rekotoko akire ni dia ɛhɔ deɛ ɛyɛ pampee wonya bɔ bi afafa ne mu anim hɔ no ɛna akaka na ba na wie ya yɛnkyɛ kɔrɔ supporters ne bi Okay, well, any Kumasi as our supporters in Bianua, Omo Enya Daje Stadium, my memory of Basoko supporters and Noa, Omo Timiko Stadium because working day, Omo Koi, and Jomo Madrid, say Jomo channel, and so at home. Now, we also come out, it be come about a baby, saying Yabo, Tribu Musu, there be time Pia, anyhow, and so the man on Nimunia. Even Musu says Sony Akuba, Bio piano, and playing for some fun and running as a player, Bio Nimbobia, into ISIS, Gumo Swamp performance here. Number of Faramani as a strikers or I'm what ever from some Dawson. But over the champion, Bokodia.
Yeah, can
okay, Champion Stadium more. You team now, Casan team now as a career simulation. Menindia and now do stadium on born on the course on the ban, a really, you know, for
well, can yes, I'm chatting for you, and I think it's showing you live on Facebook. Silver 98.3 from page and on the Silver Champion page and show me a live. Everyone got second friendly game, international one. Our coach FN is a Korean and a boy. 0-0 was the result. And Osha line up now, not just say Felix Anan impose, Augustine Sefa, a boy right back, a boy Ivan Surusu, and Pem Da Costa and Habib Mohamed 4 and 5. Justice Blay as the defensive midfielder number 6, you know. Jordan Opokubo 8, Emmanuel Jemfidaha, at a particular point 7, Kevin Ando 11, Obo Godfrey de Siama as the supporting striker, just in the hole number 10, a left-footed player about number 10, and another branch of Richard after aging him. So Zacharias in the first half game, no, it was a 4-3-3 with Justice Billy as the defensive midfielder, Jordan box to box, Godfrey de Siama offensive midfielder. Calvin Ando, Emmanuel Jemfi wings, and Richard Atta, the main player up front. I will name him. Ivan Sousu, Augustine Sefa, Da Costa Habib Mohamed Felix Annan. And second half, no, it changes. The second half, no, or shifted from the 4-3-3 system, echo a 4-2-2. And 4-2-2, no, Oji Augustine Sefa, Efrimu, Oji Sefa Frimu. Another Ampem Da Costa, or maintaining no game. After first half, no maintaining Ampem Da Costa, Felix Annan, Jordan Opoku, Kevin Ando, Ivan Sousu. And or did Da Costa share Augustine Sefa to Da Costa, and move for the right back position. Ivan Sousu maintaining the left back one. And a Habib partner, Wahab Adams 4 and 5. And Oyi Justice Blay Fum. And about board Jordan Opoku as a deep line playmaker. Number 6, but on only number 6 is different from Justice Blade then because Jordan the end you build Mukutaba over 6. It's a Justice Blade the end tackling Nibino. And a ball Mudasir or the new player be or the be left footed so number 8 and as say back so course so Kevin Ando maintaining the same position not that switch now and be free my boss players so Memphis na Kevin Ando count no the Martin Enchi big na the left side of the team and about George Apege Navigator second half no e move from 4-3-3 ekoye 4-4-2 now Ken this is my first observation because game number me 5 observations 5 major observations the first one here say new spine coach Efeni Zakariansen na build no one a lack maturity and then as solid as the old spine CK the boy my first major observation the old spine na CK one and Keneka spine who pick it from goalkeeper and straight and be see the main striker now players say who na your friend spine and also the old spine now Felisana no that's all but the heart in defense was Abdul Ghani. They say no, the new spine of Kotoko, the heart in defense is Ampem Da Costa. Because 2 games are coaching Abon. Only player will enjoy more time in the center half of the team, the defense side. Because about 45 minutes with defense, no move call right back. The first game about 90 minutes with defense. And Usha only player about more minutes at the center back position.
Or the position where right back and a center defender.
He's a central defender. And then I mean, as a coach, no, will not experiment again because of course right back on the his weakness was exposed. Of course right back on. To the American is a spine out to go build. Felisana that's so on to go keeping on the main council. But defense, no, experience, maturity. Abdul Ghani, you did both defense, leadership, composure, calmness, no. His passing skill, even his tackling, no and was so time Ampem Da Costa. Ampem Da Costa is the new face for defense in Modier. But all the Tutu Ghani was so chain. Almost all qualities. I dare about Kwame Niji about Ampem Da Costa and say, we need fear when you because Kao Shane height now. Sometimes you expect him to be a little bit intimidated. But Obopona area boss to move or the confidence in the but often one-on-one with Ganiyu, it's a gap won't pay. Sanka Kotkonya Ganiyu and from the Costa partnership with Chirwa, hallelujah. Because he will be a perfect pair. Because we share in the year 2017-2018 season with Karela. First round near boy, you know, Ganiyu about 15 matches, meaning I'm from the Costa about 14. Turning the ball 4 and 5 in 14 games. But Kotko, unfortunately, because of injury, Kotko ain't has our partnership. No? Into Da Costa, no? And yet they took Ganiyu and Ganiyu was watching. Just in front of them, the old spy was singing. They say the new spy near Justice Blay. Because I was check 2 games now coach now, but Blay about 45 minutes in me. But say I not did the obey replacing Justice Blay in the bar. Bibia there did say Blay in terms of the role as a defensive midfielder was switching and not did it. Into the air clear so Bebo Kotoko 6 no air Justice Blay. It's here compare with the old spine and Richardson. But can't say it here. So what Justice Blay here, the enema Blay Bomodi or Mediama. In the year 2017-2018, and a Blaybo. Now about it Eric Kwakwa, Rashid Note, Akwesi Donsu. So Kwakwa Mba, ne Rashid Note, Akwesi Donsu, any a branch of Tetezuta. Where any players are not Justice Blay in your mobile. And can you check players where when you know Juma Moya? A Juma na Justice Blay and say Jebono, Famobi, Sabejina. So positional awareness, tackling, interception, and blocks. Now the Juma enya passing, na Juma enya midfield control. Because no Rashid not to obey Edgeman. Or Akwesi Donsu obey Edgeman. Or Rekwakwa, and I say in some cases Tetezuta. 83 extra midfielders are not kind of one. Or Jebo and Anu Ejema Momo. After sense say by no. Shall we check in the last season? NC competition ya. No ni Kamara in Gwasan. Rashid Noti and Anebo. Na coach Efeno. Buedu. No about 3 midfielders. Justice Blay, Kamara and Gwasan, Rashid Noti. It is said Jumana no sa to ase kwaso Jebo na Kamara in Gwasan. And Rashid Noti Jumana say or the ball ni be the ebe mo no asan be gina obi. But say no He's operating with Jordan Opoku. And honestly speaking, when you're 2 games now, it looks like he wants to take on and drive. When they have any weakness. And Ken is all comparison and any Justice Blair in terms of tackling, intercession and aggression. We won't say Justice Blair was so kakra chance, but passing and drive, Sinenu was reaching. Tia Hono, me find the balance. Me find the balance or kakra. And at time I could cover African, the match fitness of which is Sinenu was reaching, the match fitness of Justice Blair ACC. And just in front of which is Sinenu was Kwame Conte. He says, Kwame Conte run and Jordan Opoku. And from all angles, just Kwame Conte is ahead of Jordan Opoku. So picking from control, creating, energy, tackling. Say as a box to box midfielder. Say so boy tackling kakra. Say Jumani nina. Kwame Conte with Muso or Switchen. And King, as a midfielder, a central midfielder, we expect much energy from you. That fighting spirit. Second, we say Jordan Opoku ne Kwame Conte the end so. Utimu se bibia kire say Kwame Conte was Switchen. So Jordan is a very good player, but player oba be replacing Kwame Conte. Eduma na Kwame Conte ye no was Switchen. Just in front of Kwame Conte was Abdul Fattah. Say so we share 2 games no maba. And I'm say first game I got boy coach e friend no. Zacharias ball 4-4-2. Tonight Jordan Opoku Justice Blay and Obo Richard as number 10. And Obo Navigator 9. And then no Obo Godfrey the Siama number 10. Obo Richard 9. So 2 players no about 10 million. None of them gets close to Abdul Fattah Safi. Obo Richard 10 pay. And Obo Godfrey the Siama. But Omumi and Waken Mashomono. They are nowhere close to Abdul Fattah Safi.
But menu you also them say Safi first 1, 2, 3 games then go. See,
Can you compare?
It's got to a time. Your voice, your supporters, the voice. Say we on same fantasy as already. We share to Jesse. But your man 2, 3, 4 matches now. Since only a Safi, and tell them you know what tremor we.
Ken Kotokobo Africa in 9 days, and we are judging per what we've seen now. When we are looking at the Nadieno, any 2 games, the new spine Kotokobo build versus the old spine of Mube replace. And so, one player penaka, that is Felix and Gani you because of injury, he's out. So Safiu, ni hold that play, the transition, his shooting, and ability to score. 2 games are Kotokobo players are about 10 yinano. Be lucky in them. And again, so move the main player up front and Yakuba na say you won't make it plans I'm fanning Kamwa. He's ahead of Richard Atta Navigator and George Abego Mabuina. So one, the level of maturity and now what Kotoko old spine in new spine them. How solid they are and their current form in Susunya them. And Kennedy Bakuni said clearly you can see Richard Atta said he's not a bad player. Players are making him in cast on my son. But he shot or more mobile on my nine. You can see issue of match fitness. You can see issue of coordination and understanding. Even proper communication. Because the coach is shifted from 4-3 to number 4-4-2 now. Between the 2 forwards, no. Hardly now, I just got 2 games. Ometinya interchange passes bare 4 in close to bare 45 minutes of Mambo. So that will bring in an issue of communication and issue of understanding. To my first observation, is Kotko spine the Boy Africa and the Sika Konon. It was such a new spine way. As of now. Can another one here say, Sir Osha Kotoko, 2 games here, boy. In 180 minutes, Coach Afan is a current and they used to 25 players. In 118 minutes. 180 minutes, 2 games, 90 minutes. Where you shoot 25 players. And that is a big worry for a clubber in less than a week time about a major game in Africa. So clearly, my second observation is individual qualities no, but Kotoko team. There's individual qualities, glimpses of hope, but as a union. Say a cabo move, and the coach is now trying to put things together. because in 180 minutes now you shoot 25 players asem ho pa ye and in that 25 players no ye nya 6 players o me constant in 180 minutes no you need 6 players say 180 minutes no ma boni nyina ebi nim 6 and Kings will form team 11 players so at least fundamental 6 na dey so wo but Kotkoni even the fundamental 6 as I speak to you the positions are not completely known baby ben 4 bi and him say way straight away dia can battle because Kings will shot 3 goalkeepers Kwame Bamuntari Tego Felisana say oko right back and left back now Augustine Sefabo Abbas Muhammad Abo Ivan Sowusuabo in 180 minutes even Enra Ampem da Costa Kobo 2 Oba center back one Ampem da Costa Abo Achima Bedu Abo Steven Tete Abebo the second game first game na Kotokobo and second half there was this 730 guy or partner with Ampem da Costa Habib Abebonra and a branch FN Wahaba Dam Sabo 5 center backs and Abo in 180 minutes.
Best player then.
I'll go in with Ampem da Costa and Habib.
And anymore.
Me ko anim hon. To ken se meba.
Ya bi otam na so.
Oh,
so bi brem sisi ya. Obesi aba. As I say, I walk 20 minutes.
2 observations.
Where we?
Any more dear Ken? I think the coach should go with a 4-3-3 system. 4-3-3.
You who you know?
That's the
4-3-3.
Why? Ken with Kwame Boahin Abopen, Emmanuel Jemfi, Nabi Martin Entry, Kelvin Ando, Augustine Okra. My wingers will be Emmanuel Jemfi, Kelvin Ando. But they should work on Kelvin Ando for match fitness.
Left and right.
Yes.
Jemfi and Kevin Ando.
Yes. Richard Atabe lead because Nabi Keita me who ni here. And George Abege.
Tebe Richard Atta, George Abege.
There be Richard Atta and Abege anymore. Then the midfield pair came.
There be a new one here, George.
I mean, one said 4-3-3.
And
Richard Kelvin Ando, Emmanuel Jemfi, Richard Atta.
George Abege Mobi.
There be me who Abege ye.
Sir.
Me who ni ye. Did I make us a king? Can you mean some about me who ni ye?
Oh, sir.
Yeah, me who ni ye. But what issue be kakra? That is the central midfield. And now I was expecting coach and said, "It has so been introduced to Prince Aqua." But me who Prince Aqua? Me who Collins Ameya.
Sir, Prince Aqua can register.
But first game
was not register more. You do more craft. And they say become once and say, "Coach, the player will register now. One register of Africa. Matches we are man movie.
Me can play.
I'm on per matches from more register.
And
so be a player.
But as I speak to you, we don't have the core players that could register for Africa. No, because I'm not sure that Salif Mudasiru, no, he's been registered.
You don't have, the team have.
Oh, but as of now, but Mudasiru has he been registered? Because me information I'm just say this week here no bar training. The management are planning on signing him. All I'm catching coach say on try no more shadi.
Oh, but they have signed him 2 years.
2 years. That's what I'm saying. But is he registered? Thank you. Register the GR between on Godfrey Esiama no. I'll pick him ahead of Godfrey Esiama. And now me penny energy, so it will be Justice Blade, Jordan Opoku, and Mudasiru as the three. It was central.
Not anymore now. Kevin Ando, Emmanuel Jemfi,
and Richard Atta. Yes, but
I beg you to
start from the bench. I beg you.
But
can another one here say? Coach, no all perfect excuses because Sika Kono. At the 76 days, and the prepare the team as
76 days,
and the prepare the team as about the first African game against Kariobangi. Wait the year 37 days.
That's when your time.
Like half of it. So perfect sporting reasons, but management need sporting reasons because they were aware say coach for Froba only 40 days in prepare team no Musaki Siki.
Yabasiaba na wabatwa so but muscle braka kren so be the remu ye pa we rubber bia players no what do you say
me feel say you nyina eje tum say Sa Africa we know. Kotoko problem kakra unlike the first one. And can be a problem the one is say time now omode kwa Africa is very short. Unlike the other one now, omunya time here, Uzameka say, mahu one of the best preparations are kotoko eputi in going to Africa. They can not enge fluke so much me ra the money zone. And even this one, Kromo Kota cry, Omoni Unity FC, Kuntu Blinds and team, no more draw. And CK was like Nani Bua Fupa because now the way you trust it into a free one under CK started so drop some of the boy because now that team not the boy was the team no percent count or any team. So her side and I dream as a baby. Did the other say the second team mumbe bobola no mum na body or paying a result but the first team nankasa na Emma. Me more player crowdy, but one player catcher who is a coach nyabotre nebeba. Yes, I would my young course one year born a bedding a beba. It's a continuous your friend is saying the preparations or more qua crow more quahan kin and you're to me 5 year makotoko. But this time no time many are very short. Inte say akoye a jasu and sana say because that time many year short and year short and so mobile. Oh bonsoir won't be excuse say time near short into win deliver. Case what I say. Anything a top level coach aba me support Bruni aba and there's so many who saw a Bruni ampa. So let me add I see who say indeed or a Bruni. It's so a magic. Na and your to me far because one thing they say Nipa be Bruni back of the place ya bane. Be Brina ya down for one I saw moon when we are about how when we are about how when we about when we be Empo mom waiting no mu be the crown. Any almost abo ha baby. Inti this time one thing about Team Yebenya a unity.
But nobody can't be about fitness.
Yes.
Say baby why some more fitness some work on.
Yes. Me drew her. Inti unity in there very solid. It is our best ball ni ye pang when the new players are player who selfish play baby with team them. So what's the idea? You clearly don't see too much of say be a press or a position to so non quiet any day. You only watch the team due to that fact. But no na me heard here. Also the first 11 now coaching the start here. Acquire 5 new players and 6 old players if me a writer. The new players in the 5 start here and the old players 6. Because Felix Ed boy, Sefa boy, Ivan Sous we had a good game yesterday. Abrante FN Habib, yes, very good game yesterday. I was very impressed. Jordan, any Genfi. It we had a new boys nearby now. Atta, Kevin, Blay, Da Costa, and they go Fred Siam. And it came the first team now coach, you know, at the buy 6-5 in favor of the same old guys who are there. One point now may arrive at them. Ain't it or the new guys had the Eba Bishop. If the team hasn't changed so much or too much, because as I'm speaking with you, no, there are 12 to 13 players now. And I say no player be signing a bar or no opportunity to be registered than what we are older.
But over the reason there be about the last 2 matches for Mabono. Coach I used to 26 players.
Yes.
26. 26 I think says too much. And so by this time at least and KB and the last 2 matches of Mabono we used to be 15. We used to be 16. So what you say? In Temano will say no. Say I beg it, me shall I beg a ball now upon us because time is short. Inti I beg a finish and see on the features in the BBBano adaptation idea. And then Richard that time we wrestle the ball now. My member made next 2-3 matches I am bowling now. Almost a bit me man well look sharp when you're more fitness. No the above say by now because time is short. Won't mean your time be brave and famobia. In Hannah, as a coach, so you're smart. It will say, my boy. But so, keep on players in the free way, there. And then I know the when we got the first game, go
yeah. Yeah, Ken, Nami Niha with the first game. Man, follow me because we are not. But my question is, with the second game, the first game, no boy, no players next started first, no. How many changes nearby? But me say if you can help me out. Me first game now or money Rhino for boy. Those who started, and then runs or more started. How many changes came? Very few. the
It's about
starters
7 players.
7 players. Then if that's the case, means the coach in Nyanya they find on
It's
settle
a
on.
game to do no bebono.
Yeah.
And the man settle on players or person use.
Yeah.
And into my use about 26 players in 2 matches.
Yeah.
It is a bus and just when you settle on even one was individual players and individual quality no. But they be out the way shots here. Was I say wouldn't born nobody about fitness and then about could be and then into then would be try week akra. And I was saying so I say we about 45 minutes. Now we have about 45 minutes. You move you come on 90 minutes. So what you say? You know, there's a time no more coaching.
Yeah. Time and I make us say time no is up. But I know so no only say Africa say number some year calendar until you can't blame blame Obia. But whatever it is no, they still have to play. It is a coach now and settle on his team. But I can commonly tell you at least bare 50% of his team there.
It's right.
For now.
But it's so 80-85. Now can be a slot back you be a honey say had you who you mean funny day.
You see,
Because I feel when 50%. Now me out man this week or
of course, the challenge Kakra coach in the end say. Also players singing now at a go.
Can go.
Okay.
What was I can better number?
No. Uncle, but 5 minutes.
Kenty, say, baby, I only me coach, and I say you're being able to trauma coaching in the same. Also, but our players singing number one, say they at this point they are all day. As I'm speaking, maybe or best started training no be swaba or chana for fraba, and no bits of okra money in our bar, won't drink as a own show. What I say, you profile me at your day, but you definitely say wash him. It is a over here crutch, and I won't say be a better than Obia. You give him the opportunity. But it is a job, and I make until no matter what it is, before they go in there, or be between the 18 or between the 8. But in the game, you know, I was very much happy with the defense man. Saying young for an attack in Enga because we have for no statistics. Our mother job my leg and again in 26 matches almost 36 goals. No conceded 24. Into a moment yet team almost goals be brave. The rounds at a time near Coast Stadium, Zinanke young and I make us a moon yet team on to me a goals in the brave. It is saying yes, all my attackers and then yet that sharper. I was okay with the defenders. And Habib, I was very much happy the way I boy neighbor. It's everyone I make catch me colleague say, sometimes ya near Yama, Yamishra near boy go king. In car coach wouldn't buy, wouldn't say to the one or a pampe into Nakofa. Think how by now the boy to the pampe and can would do my cost. But baby, you soon won't fin half a lay. Not quite half a lay, near DNA there, but I'm not an understanding on it that Costa consistency near the children was very solid. Our fellas imposing to any problem. In the midfield, no, their coach in the Bonnier. Satu na no better can on station or more. Say bia Ken Cohen in a max originator on Yanisa, the oil and say, or more swapping. It is Blade ne Jordan, they go. Say Jordan qua Blade by Jordan co. It is a okay game now to that point. You are not Blade war. Even call for the 18, you are not Jordan corner. That is the role he's playing. And it's been a new role. A new role. Because I see one of the reasons my players now not yet to adapt to it. Then again, on the part of Jordan, Ken, this is the verdict. Jordan be key to Kotoko Africa campaign. But it depends on how you be used. Silver Sports. Ken, and I make us say, yes, will be named Kasake, can no one Bible so uncle preach and it would the Archbishop Duncan William Betanaha. So my was like, can I have or be better say, why not better now? You know, bear fight. Ken, so what I say. If you cry, me and make to me a shatanwa. But I'm on so no look at a Bible and be do a mesomen memo. Into the fact that be named Casan on him BB doesn't mean say, we don't have to use him wrongly. See, you use him wrongly. A baby as a Jordan is a problem, it's not a problem. Jordan age no one, and they are not the king. The Baba Ben say, fantastic today. Okay, tomorrow. The day after tomorrow, not the best. Fantastic today. Okay, tomorrow. The day after tomorrow, not the best. It's exactly what we are looking for. It's a Jordan, they are coach to me use soon. They say, can you ball game now? Maybe at the last 25-30 minutes now. Or by he will control the team and also play as a coach. It's going to help us a lot because. Kotoko signings on we as I say wingers mean 7. me feel so ho na ha problem kakra be ba so obehwe wingers na in the Kotoko team setup ni now Maxwell ba ko ye winger Kevin Ando ye winger Kwame Boahen a winger yes of course Super Jenfi also another winger Esiama a winger you understand boy we so players entry Martin entry also plays from the wing and Okra too can also play from the wing it's a wing guess no ye 7 to 8 in one team. It's the baby back a whole air bar bed that air number 8 position at the box to box. Now, some positions so can never add dinner. Because so bad tackling who be distributed. Baby a born will be out the tree. It's a born when him our and with defense. Into a was all your player only be there.
Okay, muscle.
It won't say Conte coin. Obey here replacement. It's not meaning say definitely Conte ni we be aqua but so man raise aqua there. They need a number 8. It what they need to do is say wingers no as a coach in a convert back which I suggest Okra because with his experience no be to me because that will be one area of being a chance into the team. What I say energy but the now finally no Ken Yanka say Kotoko Bobo no board draw today. There is even Real Madrid of all class. Someone to me board draw Mulusubi. What I say, and we a preparatory match. But Emo, Yanka said we a striker, our bass, 5 goals, 8 goals, 10 goals. That's not what because even our only Akuba scored 2 in Africa. But Utmu said the general play need a contribution to play no, and also we a player. Ken, so what I say, it's a main match for the median. See the 25 I found our foreign star with team no more. Killing a go, but at least I see a glimpses big cry.
And glimpses no kakra.
Oh, David, it was over 10 man one.
One show kakra.
1 over 10.
Georgia Begi.
But me her strikers in there. Atano. Media mechanic say ebeba goes in because the movement. Listen or yen the ultimate say is ahead of or more about the can have.
Okay.
We are hoping
me that's a muscle and I see and no. Andy Bray na Gary Basobra.
Okay, my man, Zero say, maybe the Percy Adam or Canada, I wishing happy birthday, and I never could see the Bosch FM and so a birthday, and Gideon 15 amateur of KGH, and then see any birthday, maybe showing happy birthday. Can you come over being such a voice in the mammy and Uncle Masha Safi or Perry Minims I read in our back?
Not you hear Diano, a young man of the Bamayan. They also be Dian Chain, me and because we need you. And now we have good defense, good midfield, but attacking on a problem as I see personally. If you are Papa, now better after me we need to ball. But when you're good finisher, at the hard, just chances. Now I'm now about that one, team yet enough for you. They say, we are sample.
There will be such an assessment of the team with good defense, good midfield, porous attack. Ken, men so many enemy, number maybe assess everybody of this year. Solid defense, especially the centre backs. I disagree with Obed. Say they can use the brought Acosta so your experience. Apart from ball on the body, because long pass our ball no Ghanaian was easy option super. Or a good or turning so well, excellent tackler with resilience. Then you will problem with turning. But when it comes to experience and origin the defense, it is Ghanaian. They get solid centre back, good defensive fullback, put us in attacking play on count. 2 net 3. And the attacking prowess of a team start from the fullback. But in the shape of Kotoko, the only thing I must study consistently. They only attack. 9, 10. No one say football, yeah, attacking. It's solid centre back, solid full backs. But when it comes to attacking play, they are not part of the game. Count. In the moment of 2-3, be reducing attacking play. No, at the back when you coach and also your supporter also want to say, what attacking play no, I am limited. Attacking play, baby. For the coach, the situation is sick at the Nebia. Because can make a as good match the ball 1-1, no crab a cat me see. but na kotoko supporters ni nyina se da bi bibi asi na sa asset we dey or the kokote supporter omo be good team no am I catch say this is Ash Gold and this is a local game and Ash Gold was enough quality omo be dia match kotoko on the field of play nti omo nya abotre omo ko hono mko so mba 3 goals to 2 me kai blaster match ne pon ye no na nya sem keto akora sika group akwa team no and that was the usual chorus in that particular game. You're calling for patience once again and omo progress here no they did well comparatively. It is the same situation of Zachary Hansen in the king abotre kakra enwa stadium mo 7 o'clock nya na nkrofo gina ho diagonizing match no mo wie no no the course sports hotel ho ekoto aso ho a me catch a supporter back say players na da management members no bi akọ ne fie nti won so be ba ho ai ha no aye tentem so but they love their team nti ken dey na obeka Kotoko every year Kotoko sign strike a check position bia can you can check until within a year yahu Sadek Adams yahu Freddie Boateng yahu Maolo Osei yahu Obedo Usu yahu Nabi Keita yahu Sonny Yakuba yahu Fatau yahu Abrante Efena Abegi yahu Richard Atta. Ken, you are talking about 9 strikers in 1 year and then Danny Zabu. So you are talking about 10 strikers and the year who in Kotoko in 1 year. Unprecedented. Some strikers will mean so you doubt or call your man 10 goals. If you friend 9 goals. Sadek Adams man 10 in 13 plus FA Cup and one competition. You're not for our 10 in one competition. So you will must in China. Strikers are coming now. Mamma come about him in Eddie. Strikers are coming now. 3, 2, 3, 2. 3-2. The almost or better than the penalties and free kicks. The striker almost all flourishing in the Kotoko team. A striker or a pure striker. Makase, ye will be a pure striker. Yakuba Mudienibi. Of football, no call the defenders too. Or Biji Bogu, no a Kobashe. Of football, you need about 3 players before you can stop him. Or pace, or you good in positional sense, or movement, or your dribbler. OBBR, a shooter in terms of placement, in terms of power. Or to miss a pick a ball from the flanks, whether right or whether left. Or no to miss a starting attacking play, as I can finish a ball inside the area. That is Sonny Yakuba. Fatao is similar, but Fatao will not dribble a baby. But intelligence play, and positional play, and how he link up play. And then the excellent set pieces now the ball into one as I goes from Abrante and Fatao. In the strikers na akano. Look at it holistically. Why are they not performing? Obi antana senhwe. After Akufo Jordan, Kotoko, a playmaker in the Kotoko team, wine. Okay. And everybody is talking about Abegi and Richard Atta, forgetting the Emmanuel Jamfi was a flop yesterday. It is all limited the fullbacks in attacking player. Yemran Fifi or Jordan, me say I'm still surprised why Jordan control ball na nipa nwa. Me came in tia say that. Still, apart from Jordan, he will control more than any Kotoko player because basics no no. It is part and it is part in their DNA. Sanya man can ball ne. Into team no control ball because basics no. Can over any Gideon where they control ball. Over any man over they control ball. Omo ball ne can omo ball ne. You try omo from Nkrabri. So I'm still surprised. Jordan ma pass that supported the ball. Can I'm surprised. It is part of Jordan and that is Jordan for you. Intikin, sa easy option me dia man maje na obedi so obedi left no ade ma so ade na right na park ni so ayi no you see the strikers so omugina no ho anu ma ya anonymous
ya no na jogging no dia agene that was just
di papa me no
so anya assist easy options
okay no ye easy option or Hazard
me na come as
okay some me so me tell or Hazard who will pick the ball and run at defenders
yes you Jamfi
and I'm saying that everybody is talking about Abegi and Richard Atta, forgetting that match that I born done. Emmanuel Jamfi was a flop. What is Obiabonidi? It came in attacking play.
Obi money
so he the obey to me
yes. At least one game be difficult so
we are discussing a department.
2 players are my consistent over the years, Jamfi, Felisana.
Ken.
Your father said one day be yeah, both game be not Felisana, I call you mistaken about it. Any news because he's a player with several team over the years. So what is
Any a baby can reach that and so do you all stars.
You be a customer.
100 years you can wrestle.
What
It again, the point is that man, so I'm talking about the attacking play. Strikers no mugina hon. Reach that any more do. Who expect reach that say, wow, start numbers won't even more wins now. At that time, you pick the ball from the wings, take 1-2 players on, move so well, link up play. No, Baba said. Ni more you do when you from the last 2 seasons, I'm not about our stars. Into that player needs supplies, and I'm saying that where are the supplies? Kevin Ando, and Emmanuel Jemfi. Emmanuel Jemfi was off. Keep what who Africa baby in Jemfi. A supply from the right, and then Tobacco supplied from the left. Now, Puntalink are playing midfield. Anyone? It is a 2-3 trainer. Mr. McKen, I watched the ball 90 minutes. 70 minutes from hairborn. August the fan cross ball and go 18. Even so also on cross ball and go 18. And we've been watching football all over. Inti him kumune Barbara man Harrison Afumu. Ya from Pomono cross ball and go 18 and I can Bob any bagat or mobile. Inti the fullbacks were suspect. Usaba or many man. In the whole second half that I watched Kevin Ando so well. For me in the second half, one and up in the game can cross one ball pay inside the 18. Martin Anchuba went to man cross ball and go 18. Inti Ken, Jemfi 2-0. Inti strikers will be anonymous because the supplies are not coming from the wings. No one's having the supplies are not coming from midfield.
And yes, strikers are fault.
The type of strikers are got they need supplies.
Because Maswell come about at least we show glimpses kakra be say form no kwa anywhere. E bit me ban wa yade hu kakra bi I'm saying Ken okay I'm saying that Olivier Giroud man pass Olivier Giroud glimpses better way. Olivier Giroud between eye glimpses. Lukaku between eye glimpses. Dabi because some are one-dimensional players. Just some here supplies on my ball. They don't have those glimpses. And I'm saying that I beg your back. It was Patilo Moto. And the supplies it got different in team tackling. Because Katino the back, how he controls his team, you cannot match him. Into the supplies will go, the defenders will try to clip Abegi. And problem near the boss to boss and Kina Makana boss to boss, no, yeah.
Hey, Jordan.
Number 8.
Yes. Ken, Maka, me say. In the 4-4-2 setup once again. In the 4-4 Ken, your tournament, there be a party. No problem, no way. No creativity, no way. It was party. If Jordan will give you 20 minutes, 25. Emuya de na kotoko half pack and you need Jordan. But Ken, when you are in transition, in attacking play, Mr. Naki will be a mechanism, Bob, a direct pass from midfield to attack about ball. With the 70 minutes that I've watched, man, who ball from Jordan to any of the players, and what the attacking area. Go for the same as our boy, and on to ball first half. Man, who ball just of a picky ball from the midfield to the attackers into Kotoko strikers, maybe a big home by center. And again, the Olivier Giroud center and Lukaku center, they are expected. The goalkeeper will be on holiday because they cannot dribble, they cannot run with the ball. They cannot outwit defenders. Only type of strikers in Libya. I'm saying that such strikers are got for these are strikers that need supplies. Yakuba Obeba center. No about Bejibon won't mean yet because or your dribbler or pace or physique. Easy to beat me out with you. He is a pure striker. The queen of all people. Okay, check the supplies that were coming to Harry Beckwin. Francis Akwafu, Francis Kofi. Near J, Jordan or Pokunti, back when 15-20. Ahmed Toure will be there and Abadeba. I'm forgetting about one player. Also, those supplies will come from the midfield. Akufu the Beba. He said Akubu the Beba. Into one the Beba, Natalia come pick from the left or the Beba. Into you are not to the ball or the half season Bebo goes. Because the supplies will come. Even with Toure. Whom being a pure striker and one of the most talented players, as you watch him, Nana Hindu are more bonus if you do Mujin on Matthew. Now, Lawrence said, you're more right. Into passing a back in on Bebase. You can't say the Kuni a cabra at a gym. No, I'm not the supply, the career woman supplies or the supplies get to her. I pay my cat to mobile supply born. Eddie Amasa few, Job Bebase. And it was the problem why I had to first struggle when they played against Kotoko. You don't have a supplier in the king. the missing link is the supply from midfield. The missing link was the supply from the flanks. Inti Chamo Ben said, Yakuba Nimbo or how Beboa. But the Biamobo strikers, the Kotoko so tired, they are not scoring. Ask yourself why. The supplies are not coming. Inti Ken.
Inti if you strikers.
Can mean casting free on. But I'm saying that.
Strikers on the ball. It's also to you on where because your strikers will be so mobile Kumasi. At least supplies in him. But near more by any woman who say, ah. Chance just or break too much, which was on 1 year to money. But they do a cry.
Said the man to bed, I should go up that supplies him. It seems you are not getting me. Came Mamma Shadia, I did watch it. Nana Hindria, Eric Becquin, Sonny Yakuba, Ametu. One category. Emmanuel Sekals, Seydou Mansi, Abegi. One category is a different types of play. As they watch a pick ball, can you hear defenders too? Now if you are who they call the block ball, you need 2 defenders. Today he had 3. Yakuba he had 3 different types of strikers. Becquin no, he's playing behind a branch of Kobrayaro now over behind him. No, but Chili per 2. Kwajopo Mahala, ono Mahala the ball here per 2. And so born watching Yaji. These are the types of play that are missing in the Kotoko team. And one also I'm saying that in Europe, the successful team go back, they look into their team and check how they fare. Teams some years successful, they continue to build up. Players are missing in the Kotoko team. There is no number 10. The number 8 is not flourishing. And Ken, Opa check team be Tony Cruz here and on Crawford on say. More 4 matches and conceded 15 goals. That is number 8. Racket here and then you do semi-final Barcelona. I just say they just 4 and 3. That is the record for number 8. He loved for the bell crew man who be anchors are Martin the entire 20 winning. It was how they made sure a branch of Kwame Kunte will not come to the party.
Okay, Andy.
The number 8 is so essential that if Kotoko want to exploit in the African game, non-person perform here. Apart from catching the flanks, I teams who say Kotoko 7-11 and more than palm. The one place that they need to work and work so well is to have to get a proper number 8 to link the midfield and attack.
Andy, Eddie, Garba, yeah, we are going to be in China, someone a better check. But I'm over 2 minutes, maybe now. Stadium. Oh, okay. And if I quick one, be very now.
You see, my main says about behind the way and on the. You see, Asante Kotoko, and excess Kotoko standard that perform. Those players Andy described, Kotoko cannot buy them.
But I said, it be the system. When I say,
we don't have them on the African terrain.
But I say, Krumano.
It be na Esperance have 5 Kotoko. The one who was playing the Kotoko number 8. Esperance have paid money. They have bought him from Kotoko. Now Kotoko is can't go into my I'm a counter offer. One man is going to be a manaka. They don't have money. Job Kotoko 8. Think you want to miss your bed chase car be final. Told the way I send it here. So when Yakuba Kotoko nyari free o. Utimi na manu akonya se asaside. Adebi o woni ndaso. But as a football club, always you do not rely on that. Gamble. Young gambles are no. All in money tip mazeme, they don't gamble. This is the system I coach the person. This is the type of place I need. They will go and buy.
Because they are rich.
Because they have the money. And always I say that Kotoko need X cannot. It is like Kotoko standard, no? Historically great club. Yes, Kotoko na facing reality. There is fanatism and there is reality. And now I mean who fanatism or sports stadium. Baba that be yen Team ni team rival the best clubs on the African continent.
It is a player by some support player.
The other day, me make a comment on Twitter on Jordan Bailey, that Kotoko. He's a top signing for Kotoko. Now, man, for him, I say, pay the standard of Kotoko. Because me share say me follow football. When was the last time I was Kotoko artistica? Say player when he quality player African team Wakotono. Now I said me say Aristide Bansi, Kotoko Kofano. And I said no, this transfer, Kotoko Timia, then it will be a massive signing. What is a player? Apart from Agopamano so goes or better, Aristide Bansi 35 years, 36 years in our ball asset Mimosa. Oji Gokin was 13 goals in the Ivory Coast League. On the turn now, I'm going to find a tree from Betchen United. So the football now is about money. Kotoko ni says Kano. Oh, but for those players, and to win no man, I'm bet my form with them or Baba. But then, and also test our form over coaching into me for Mumpe. No, you should be able to use them, build them, because that is the materials available to you. Kotoko TV are not best team about Fako. And yes, sir, because they cannot financially battle with those clubs. You say you cannot maintain a consistent team. So expectation emra from
and Zamalek for Kaiser Chiefs
saying
$1.4 million.
$1.4 million.
Kama billiard. $1.4 million. Grab back from it to 2 million.
Hey, and
That's about 60 billion.
No, $1.4 billion million.
That's about
$1 million crowd broke 50 billion.
That's 53 billion.
Now 500.
yeah,
How close to
75 billion.
That's 75.
75 billion.
so there is there's fanaticism and there's reality. The reality is that Kotoko Nisika Obetimato, those top players about both those positions. No,
it is supporters in the air. So much yes.
I saw when it's here.
Every single player be a team debating at on so team support.
What is it?
Because
Because if now on dinner, Kotoko on dinner. What you mean Tisika na TP Mute at two top players, no $1 million, no, they cannot because they do not have that financial strength. And this is a fact. It is can be about beton. Because Kwame Conte 8 no about or in the whole baby talk because my Bashir ko Prince Akwa is not registered for Africa. So they have a huge challenge in that department. Fatau Safiu is the best Kotoko striker. Statistically, Okoye trials for Sweden. It is not even an outright deal. Trials. So this is the reality we are talking about. As it stands now, CAF Champions League contributed this season. CAF ranking Kotoko 45. Baku 45 and Otoso. Mediama ni again start to 62. Best Ghanaian team Otoso 45 in Africa. And expectation, yeah, me percent supporters no share Kotoko. There is fanaticism, yes. Kotoko is the best. What the fanaticism, yeah, historically, yes. The reality is that Kotoko currently they are not one of the best. Football in Esika. Esa ultimate talk now build it. Alali talk akese no I build it in. No I be Champions League no. Mazembe ye oba talk akese no I build it in. Ni enti Kroma na Mazembe better talk to the best players, Brekum Chelsea players. Daniel Nia Jamie Eko Ekodie. Lastly, more issue because of time international. We men kokra men Kotoko ni Kanu players game no. Ebe cause was synthetic pitch. So we are a patron.
Send it to Mokakra.
Daddy, no issue. They should be able to arrange a friendly with a team or boy or synthetic pitch so AstroTurf no. No, competitive friendly matches. And by this time, we are going to synthetic pitch. So, by 2 friendly matches, and so we are going to play. So, Omoko Academy, I will crown, I am training Omoko. So, I say,
Alfred will UK. Alfred, a reason why you know, or say, I can't go to Bonds and Omako.
And I make us say, I have a big issue with that because only Kanu players come on Nigeria or ball AstroTurf, artificial pitch. 2 friendly matches, important one now, but over ball on grass. So the issue is that Kotoko should have been able to arrange a top friendly but with a team of ball or synthetic pitch, so at least 2. And that's what I call Kanu players because one you are far behind time. Patron, because of time, make families into a 12 or 2 years.
Alfred will look Alfred by the Olympia, but what for free? When I'm a Bobo and I inquiry. Oh, no, rather to confidence. Yes, me. I'm from course, you see how I. Whatever, my wife won't answer, don't worry. No more can something in there. There was a purpose in the crown. Those are what to be. So, Chris, who are here or
happy birthday to Augustina Ifa of Evening House Chapel, our book from Sepaka.
Yes, is it owner who wish it?
We have mastered from Sepaka.
0206 12 19. 0206 12 19. And 0245.